Hey kids! Artist palette, let's meet the magical paint buckets who bring the world its colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello! I am red. I'm bright, bold, and full of energy. My spelling is R-E-D. Hi there! I'm blue. Calm and cool like the ocean. My spelling is B-L-U-E. Hello. I'm yellow. I shine like the sun. My spelling is Y-E-L-L-O-W. Hi. I'm green. I grow leaves and trees. My spelling is G-R-E-E-N. Hello. I'm purple. Mysterious and magical. My spelling is P-U-R-P-L-E